Hello guys, doing a afternoon run, a real quick run. Since I have a limited time, we're making sure that we're able to do 5 kilometer run. Let's go! Guys, look at the view. Let's go! For progress, not perfection. Let's go! Basta po na tayo. Alam mo what I enjoy doing running is, yes, napapagod yung katawan natin. At the same time, alam mo yun, nakakapag-meditate. Yung mga gusto mo pang gawin, napaplano mo yung gagawin ng susunod na linggo. Na-enjoy ko yung mga random thoughts na inisip ko during running. Inisip ko, ano ba yung mga na-achieve ko ngayong araw? Ano ba yung mga dapat ko pang gawin? And syempre, yung goal natin in the future. But again, every day, may natatapos tayo sa isang araw, achievement yun. Kaya, continue working, work hard, aim high, feet on the ground. Let's go!